Hello everyone, this is part 11 ASP.NET series session. In this session we will learn the properties of Textbox. Open the Visual Studio. So to see different properties of Textbox: single line, multi-line, date and time, date, time, local, time, month, week, URL, search, email, number, date and password. Here are different number of Textbox properties. We'll see all step by step. Drag and drop our text box. This size of text box. Single line, then for multi-line, then for date and time, date and time local, only time, month, week, URL, search, email, number, date and password. We'll set all the properties step by step. The first text box is a single line. The text mode is single line. The second is multi-line. We can select the multi-line. We can resize it to a little bit bigger. Then the third one is for date and time, date time, date time local, time, month, week, find the week, URL, search. If search is not there, we can also use the coding for this. Search, email, number, date, then password. Now almost we have set all the properties for different text boxes. View in browser. The first text box is single line. If you type any text, we live in UAE, then only we can write or type horizontally. We cannot type anything vertically. So it means only a single line text space. We can add the characters up to 250, 800 or max character. We can give additional properties for this text box. After that is a multi-line. In multi-line we can type in multi-rows. We live in UAE. Then after entering the option, we can add multiple text box properties. So like this way we can add multiple rows, multiple typing in the multi-line text mode. So that is another property for the text box, date time. So we can select any date time. Where is the date time local? So date time, this mode allows input of both date and time values. So we can use both values in this text box, date and time. Even we can use time values as well. This will not give any error. Date time local, this mode allows input of date and time values local to the user's time zone. If our time zone is Abu Dhabi and Muscat, then according to that we can select the values and we can give the date and time. Month 05, date day 23 or 24 we can give, and year 2024, 25, so we can give the time local. After that is this time mode allows input of time values, only time values, like 11, 12 and PM. So this mode is only for time. Month, this allows only input of month and year values. So first is for the year, like 20 month Feb, and we can add 2024. Then week number and 2024 year. URL, we can enter the URL. If any incorrect URL is going to be entered, this will give us the error. Suppose that I am going to type here UAE and will move away the cursor. So the message is coming as please enter URL. So we have to give here URL. We can give here URL https://www.google.com. So that is the correct URL address. So now we hovering the cursor over there on the text box, no any messages coming. This means this URL is correct. Search, we can search data. We can give any option like videos. So this is for the searching of the data. Email. So if you will give here incorrect email, Abdul, that is correct. If you gonna give here incorrect, the message will be appear as incorrect. So you can see here the message is coming. Please include at in the email. So we have to include at and certain other conditions to fulfill the email properties of this text box. So message is coming. If we will make the correction for this email address, so this message will not come. Now you can see no any message is coming. Number. Only we can give digit numbers, integer numbers, without decimal, without fractional data, only integer numbers. Integer numbers can be negative and positive. We can give negative numbers and positive, no issue at all. So we can give here negative numbers and positive, but not decimal numbers. Date. only we can enter date with the help of the calendar. You can see with the help of the calendar we can enter the date. Password, if we don't want to make the visibility of any text, so we can convert this property into password mode. We will type anything, this will be converted into star property, and again we can see the other text box properties again by using the calendar before we have entered the values manually. So if I can enter the correct today's date, then I can enter the time AM or PM according to this calendar format. According to this time format, we can enter the time and PM. According to this time calendar, we can enter the month and year, then week, that is the week, and then week number. Week number is 26 and date is, year is 2024. So these are the text properties of text box. These are text modes of text box. That's for today. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye bye.